rocky road where all the streets are worn, while her daughter slaves, the road to Zion mourns. The road to Zion mourns.
How are you enjoying Sundance, Tom?
It's great. It's great. And you know, these flag places like LRG, they support my charities too. So, you know, they outfit 400 kids at my kids' camp for kids that had heart transplants, and they give us a lot of stuff. We couldn't survive without them, and we're very grateful. They also put give wardrobe costume me for my Big Redneck Wedding, and it's a TV show I have, and whatever independent film I do, and because we usually have about a $30 budget, and so we wouldn't make it without them.
Tell me about your charities, because I want the audience to know where they could go donate or anything on the web.
Well, a great one is CampDelCorazon.org, I believe. Camp Del Corazon is a camp for kids that have had heart transplants. It's the only one in the country because nobody else could get insurance. We have doctors and nurses and our counselors. It's on Catalina Island, and it's all paid for, and it's great. I'm also just started the Amber Watch Foundation.org, which is by the Amber Watch Alert, the Amber Alert people, and we did it in conjunction with my movie Gardens of the Night, which is an independent film that John Malkovich and I did, and I play a very bad character who reminds me of a very bad character that I do when I was a kid, and so we combine that and, you know, try to make something good out of something bad, and every 40 seconds a child disappears in the United States alone. And with the internet, and with the economy, it's going to get worse, the exploitation of children, and so we wanted to do something about that. So that was Ileana Douglas, who I met through the independent world. We've done several movies together, and we had one here last year called The Year of Getting to Know Us, with Sharon Stone was my wife, Ileana was my girlfriend, Lucy Liu, Jimmy Fallon, and everything leads back to Sundance, really. Happy Endings opened Sundance 2005, and it was the greatest experience I've ever had in a film, and Maggie Gyllenhaal was my gal in that, and Don Roos wrote and directed it, one of my best friends, and so many good things came out of that, you know, if I'm not famous, if I'm not well known, then I can't raise the money that I can raise now.
Have a good time at Sundance, and take care of your voice. We want to make sure you keep us laughing.
I know, thank you, and thank you to everybody that helps me out. And by the way, Sundance is last year, Robert Redford had a little dinner for us and the CFOs of the major studios, and we settled the writer's strike here. And this last Friday night, we worked on the potential actor strike, which will not happen now. And I want to thank Bob and what he's done here, and what he continues to do, bringing people together on both sides of issues. And we work out a lot of stuff up here secretly, and it's a great place. Thank you.
Thank you. Tom Arnold here on Real TV Films. Oh, we love him now.